Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into something that often gets a bad rap, being alone. We live in a world that celebrates connection, friendship, and romance. And while those things are absolutely vital, there's a quiet superpower that often gets overlooked, the profound power of solitude. Think about it. When was the last time you truly had uninterrupted time with yourself? Not scrolling through social media, not with a podcast blasting, but just you, alone. It's in these moments of quiet that we can actually hear our own thoughts, untangled from the noise of external opinions and demands. It's where true self-discovery happens. Being alone isn't about loneliness, it's about intentionality. It's about cultivating a deep, comfortable relationship with yourself. It's the space where creativity sparks, where you can process emotions without judgment, and where you can truly understand your own needs and desires. It's the fertile ground for introspection, for growth, and for becoming the most authentic version of yourself. Let me share a brief story. There's a story about a young eagle that spent its entire life among chickens. It scratched the ground, stayed close to the flock, and never imagined it was capable of anything more. One day, the eagle found itself alone on a high cliff after being separated from the flock. At first, it was terrified. There were no familiar voices, no friends, and no sense of comfort. But in that silence, something remarkable happened. It spread its wings for the first time. A strong wind lifted it into the sky, and suddenly it discovered what it was truly born to do: fly. The eagle realized that what seemed like isolation was actually an opportunity. The very moment it feared most became the moment it discovered its strength. Sometimes, being alone isn't a punishment. It's the space life gives us to uncover abilities, confidence, and purpose that we could never find while constantly following the crowd. So, next time you have a moment to yourself, don't see it as an absence of company. See it as an opportunity. An opportunity to recharge, to reflect, and to connect with the most important person in your life, you. Embrace it, nurture it, because in that quiet space, you'll find a strength and clarity you never knew you had. Thank you for spending these moments with me. If this message helped you see solitude in a new light, carry that wisdom with you today. Remember, being alone is not a weakness, it is a source of strength. Embrace your journey, trust yourself, and let your inner light guide the way forward.